Hi guys, welcome back to my tutorial. During our today's tutorial, we're gonna paint this vintage camera in a watercolor style, and I'm gonna try my new watercolor set, which is called True Watercolor. I created that one recently, and it has lots of brushes, lots of stem brushes, and actually this watercolor brush set can help you to paint absolutely in new watercolor style using new watercolor techniques, and today I will explain you how to do that. So first of all, we need reference picture, and for that we need to go to action button, press canvas and press reference. After that, turn to image and press import image. After that, I will zoom that and move it to the right part, to the left. Guys, I have two texture papers. First one called sapphire paper, this one, and another one is emerald paper. Both papers has this authentic watercolor texture, so you might see it here. And I'm gonna use sapphire paper, and keep in mind you need to paint underneath of texture paper, Boo Essential Onyx. And all my brushes, they have some specific name devoted to gemstones. So now let's try to imitate same color palette, and I will start with dark blue color. And later we will use another brush that will help us to add all those details. Like that. Same here, lower the size of the brush. And emphasize this part with a little bit lighter color. So my next step is we need to add camera some colors to the inner part. So as you might see, we have some purple shades inside of a camera, even light pink and orange. And let's create one more layer. Move to darker color again. Somewhere here. Like that. Darker color. It's like nearly black. Stay on same layer. Be careful, don't make it that green. So our aim now is to fill all area with some particular color. So as you see, for this painting we use just mostly one brush for now, but it's very convenient. And every new class I will try to use different techniques. And last final part. Okay, done. Well, I'm gonna go both textured emerald blender. Lower the opacity or the size. And this blender is very soft. It's like what we actually need right now. And also, my suggestion, you can press select, and now you can just blend in the area which is selected. Next aim, we need to get rid of transparency. In this way we'll press duplicate, go to lower layer, adjustments, hue, saturation, brightness, and turn the color to white color. After that, duplicate a few times, merge together and merge together with our camera, with our original layer. After that, I will create new layer and press clip and mask. And now I can do whatever I like on this painted layer. And I'm gonna switch the brush to another one. So first of all, we can try moonstone splashes. This brush is pretty lovely, and you see it can help you to add some textures. That you can just add some beautiful color variations to maybe a little bit of purple color on the top of that. Just try to make it as beautiful as possible, like that. Maybe a little bit of red color in some areas. So as you see, this is without shades, this is with shades. And if you want to make it even more saturated, you can duplicate the shades, and now it helps to create even better feeling. It's so saturated. Well, I like it. I will merge all of it together like that. So my final detail, I want to add some shades, some details. I will turn on our sketching layer. I will grab Bush Sharp Amethysts, and this is our brush for adding details. You can lower the size. See, it's so simple, the way how you add all those shades and everything. And here, if you like, we can separate main parts. Okay, ta-da! Turn off sketching layer. And guys, we can call this piece finished. Our camera is ready, and I will look forward to see what you're gonna create. And if you want to share with me your artworks, you can tag me on Instagram. And if you like my class, please subscribe, thumbs up, and let's see each other in a new video. Bye bye!